Hello pool players, Ron here. Got a great shot I want to share with you guys tonight. It's a positional shot into the side pocket. We're going to get shape on that 9. We're going to shoot it in several different ways so you guys can get an idea of what to do and what not to do, and let's determine which is best for us.
Now let's take a look at the shot line locations, and notice here how we keep the 8 ball in line with both side pockets, yet we move the cue ball to various positions as we experiment with the shot. For our first shot, we've got the cue ball set at the spot, and we have a deliberate scratch going into the corner pocket. So let's look at how we can avoid this. So I'm going to be shooting the same shot, but I'll be hitting the 8 ball more full so that I can cheat into the side pocket. This in itself will stop us from scratching in the corner. Another shot based on this same shot angle is to use low inside spin, which allows us to stroke through the cue ball more aggressively. The only issue I have with this shot is the inside spin. If we hit too much inside spin, notice here how the cue ball comes back to the side cushion, thus making the shot on the 9 more difficult. For this reason, I suggest you practice this shot and experiment with just low. I would also suggest you move the 8 ball out away from the side pocket to the first diamond and experiment with both low inside as well as low only. Another thing that I do, which I suggest that you do as well, is to let your stroke out and experiment by hitting the cue ball with various English to see if you can gain position to the object ball. Valuable feedback can be obtained when we do this. Notice here I've hit center ball and got perfect shape on the 9. For these next 3 shots, I want you to look closely at how the 8 ball goes into the side pocket. Notice there that it went in center side. Because of this, we were able to go 4 cushions to get shape. Shot 2 is also center into the side with a little bit of overcut. It doesn't change it too much, but watch what happens here on shot 3. With a severe overcut, we bring the cue ball 6 cushions to get perfect shape on the 9. As I was playing around with this shot, I tried to double bank the 8 ball cross side, and then this fluke shot happened. It would have been way cooler had I have not scratched. Our second shot angle is a straightaway shot into the side pocket. Notice here that I'm going to cheat the pocket, look closely at the 8 ball to go opposite side of the 9. Now I don't really like this shot because we could scratch in that corner. So what I do is I put a lot of spin on the ball and I keep it on the same side of the table that I'm shooting into. Here's a close-up. Take a look at how the 8 goes in. It's a severe overcut into the side, and then the spin grabs the side cushion and goes all the way down table. Our third shot angle is also straight into the side pocket. However, we've moved the 8 ball out to the first diamond and we pulled the cue ball back as well. As you can see, this is similar to that first shot where we were closer to the side pocket, in which I did not like that shot because I could scratch into the corner pocket. For that reason, my go-to shot is to just run the cue ball straight ahead and come back to the cushion that I'm shooting from and then flow into the shot line of the 9. Here is another pretty cool looking shot, but one that I don't really like, and that is where we use some stun to bring the cue ball down to the 9. If you're going to use stun, here's a better way. In this case, I'm using just a little bit of top to use the cushion to flow into the 9. As we did earlier, once again we're going to let out our stroke here to see if we can gain that position. This one here, I've hit some low to draw it back to that corner pocket area. It was a very difficult shot. This next one was very interesting. As I hit the top, it kind of killed off that top rail and came nicely down into the 9. And here's another attempt of the same shot. Well, I hope this video was helpful to many of you. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. I answer everyone. Thanks for watching, and once again, like I always say, keep on practicing.